is a magnet and its types? What is a magnet? A magnet is a material that attracts magnetic substances such as iron, nickel, and cobalt. A magnet has two poles. What are those? North pole and south pole. Let us understand types of magnet. So generally we can see three types of the magnet. What are those? Natural magnets, artificial magnets, and electromagnets. We'll understand one by one. Natural magnets. Natural magnets found naturally in nature. Best example for natural magnet is lodestone. Usually natural magnets has weak magnetic strength. Second one, artificial magnets. Artificial magnets are made by human and have strong magnetic power. In the artificial magnets, we can see another two types. One is permanent magnet and temporary magnets. Permanent magnets retains magnetism for a long time. Best example is bar magnet. And we can say horseshoe magnet and ring magnets also example for permanent magnets. One more, temporary magnets. Temporary magnets acts like a magnets only for a short time. Example, soft iron magnet. Third type, electromagnet. Magnetism is produced by electric current. Strength can be increased or decreased used in electric bells and motors. When we are studying about magnetic effect, it is important to learn about bar magnet. What is bar magnet? A bar magnet is a rectangular shaped magnet with a north pole at one end and south pole at another end. Bar magnet attracts magnetic materials such as iron, nickel, and cobalt. Let us study properties of bar magnet. First property, attractive property. A bar magnet attracts magnetic materials. Example, iron, nickel, and cobalt. Second property, directional property. When we suspend bar magnet freely, this magnet always aligns itself in the north and south direction. And bar magnet poles always exist in phase. Magnetic poles cannot exist alone. If bar magnet is cut into two pieces also, each pieces will have both north pole and south pole. And fourth property is like poles repel each other, unlike pole attract each other. Like poles means north pole and north pole or south pole and south pole. This north pole or south pole repel each other. Unlike poles means north pole and south pole or south pole and north pole. They will attract each other. The last property, strength is maximum at the poles. The magnetic strength of the bar magnet is strongest at the poles and weakest at the center. Let us study magnetic field lines around the bar magnet. So to conducting this activity, we require following materials. Bar magnet, white paper, drawing board, iron fillings and pins. First, fix wire sheet on a drawing board using pins. Then place bar magnet at the center of the paper. Then sprinkle iron fillings over the bar magnet. Then gently tap drawing board. Then observe pattern found by iron fillings. Iron fillings arrange themselves along the magnetic field lines of the bar magnet. The field lines are denser near the poles, which shows the magnetic field is strongest at the poles. Magnetic field lines from the closed loops from the North Pole to South Pole. This experiment helps us to understand magnetic field lines around the bar magnet. Then what are the properties of magnetic field lines? Magnetic field lines are closed loop. This is the first property. Second property, outside the magnet, they emerge from North Pole and enter at the South Pole. Inside the bar magnet, they that means magnetic field lines move from South Pole to North Pole. Fourth property, magnetic field lines never intersect each other. Based on this property, in exam they will ask question. Fifth property, closer lines shows stronger magnetic field, while lines further apart shows weaker magnetic field. we can see more magnetic field lines near the poles. Then what is meant by magnetic field? The magnetic field is a region around the magnet or a current carrying conductor in which its magnetic force can felt. We'll discuss few questions based on magnetic field lines, bar magnet, and properties of magnetic field lines. Your first question is write any three properties of magnetic field lines. What is your answer? First point, magnetic field lines are closed loops. Second one, magnetic field lines never intersect each other. Third point you can write, outside the bar magnet, magnetic field lines emerge from north pole to south pole. Inside the magnet, they move from south pole to north pole. Your second question is, what is the SI unit of magnetic field? SI unit of magnetic field is Tesla. Is magnetic field is vector quantity or scalar quantity? Magnetic field is vector quantity. So why? It has both direction and magnitude. Okay, third question. What helps us to understand the direction and strength of the magnetic field lines around the bar magnet? Answer. Magnetic field lines help us to understand the direction and strength of the magnetic field around the bar magnet. Okay. What is the dimensional formula for magnetic field? So formula you know, magnetic field is equal to mass into time into current. This one we can write M1 T inverse 2 A inverse 1. So M is the SI unit of mass, T is SI unit of time, SI unit of current is ampere. Dimensional formula for magnetic field is M1 T inverse 2 A inverse 1. Next question. Why don't two magnetic field lines intersect each other? What is your answer? Okay. If they intersected, it would mean two directions of magnetic field at the same point, which is not possible. Okay, last question. Draw neat diagram of magnetic field around the bar magnet. Okay, one more last question. What is meant by magnetic field lines? Magnetic field lines are imaginary lines used to represent direction and strength of the magnetic field. I'll repeat, magnetic field lines are imaginary lines used to represent direction and strength of the magnetic field. Okay, students, I hope you understand magnetic field lines, bar magnet experiment, and properties of the magnetic field lines. In next video, we will discuss this chapter in more detail. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to channel and thank you everyone.